Spider Pig does whatever a spider pig does. Can he swing from a web? No, he can't. He's a pig. Watch out! Oh God! What? You guys saw that? He was coming at me! He was coming at me! I'm not going down for this!
There's Spidey, Spider-Man characters on hot cars with...
We here at Mind Munchies would like to affirm that no animals were injured in the making of this video. Sha-na-na-na-na-na-na, toy number 2! Oh, Lord. Oh. Worked out. Toy number 4. As I snip, and you have some time, why don't you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. You know what? I don't know why I always do an evil laugh afterwards. I'm not asking you to do anything questionable. Or am I? No. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Alright, you little bugger. I have the one weakness of any meal toy. A nice, clean bag. No use fighting, no use fighting. I got you. You're caught in my web, which is ironic on a few different levels. Right off the bat, very impressive, very detailed. When the front of it coming down to a point, revealing the spider symbol, and then on the back of the vehicle, slouching down, almost like webs attaching to a building, which I imagine is how this is even able to climb. But why does Spider-Man need a spider-mobile? Am I missing something? Ah, maybe that's it. Maybe on road trips, when he just doesn't want to swing around, he could just pack up the bag. Ooh, he could just pack up the bag and go. Wait a minute. Can this thing shoot web? Can it shot web? Can you shot web? See it in action. Ooh. Alright, that kind of changes things. It's oddly satisfying to listen to. It really has almost a scuttle sound.
What else can this suit do? Call me Spider-Man!
But at the end of the day, there is a hidden perk to having, you know, vehicles as toys. Let's race him. Huh.